Hi everyone, it's Miss Patty from the Greenville Library here for Toddler Storytime, and I'm here with my friend Poppy. Say hi, Poppy. Should we say hello to our friends, Poppy? Okay. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. All right. While we read our stories, Poppy's going to sit here. So I thought we'd read some Halloween stories today to get ready for Halloween. And the first story that I have to read is called 10 Trick-or-Treaters, a Halloween counting book. It's by Janet Schulman and illustrated by Linda Davick. And I'm reading it with permission from Alfred A. Knopf. If you want to move out of the way, there we go. 10 trick-or-treaters on a dark and spooky night, out to get some candy or give someone a fright. Should we count our trick-or-treaters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Look at all of their costumes. Can you see someone who's dressed up like a kitty cat? I see a kitty. Can you see someone dressed like a princess? I see her. I'll do one more. Can you see someone dressed like a superhero? I see the superhero. 10 trick-or-treaters standing in a line. Along came a spider. Uh-oh. And then there were 9. One ran away. 9 trick-or-treaters. The night was getting late. A toad hopped near. Oh, look at the toad. And then there were 8. 8 trick-or-treaters under racing clouds in heaven. A bat flew by. Uh-oh, there's the bat. And then there were 7. 7 trick-or-treaters filling sacks with party mix. A ghost said, "Boo!" And then there were 6. 6 trick-or-treaters dancing to some jive. A skeleton tried to join them. And then there were 5. Everyone's getting scared away. 5 trick-or-treaters knocking on a door. "Who's there?" called a witch. And then there were 4. 4 trick-or-treaters counting candy by a tree. A monster cried, "Gimme some!" And then there were 3. 3 trick-or-treaters. Why are there so few? A vampire crooned, "Good evening." And then there were 2. 2 trick-or-treaters. They've had a night of fun. A mummy stumbled by them. And then there was 1. 1 brave trick-or-treater. Her Halloween is done. She climbed into bed. And then there were none. Look at all the candy that they got. Okay, let's count again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Good job, everyone. Good job. All right, we're going to do a song now. And you can sing along once we get started. And it goes like this. If you're a ghost and you know it, just say boo. If you're a ghost and you know it, just say boo. If you're a ghost and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a ghost and you know it, just say boo. Well, if you're a black cat and you know it, just say meow. If you're a black cat and you know it, say meow. If you're a black cat and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a black cat and you know it, say meow. How about this one? If you're a skeleton and you know it, rattle your bones. If you're a skeleton and you know it, rattle your bones. If you're a skeleton and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a skeleton and you know it, rattle your bones. All right, how about if you love Halloween and you know it, clap your hands. If you love Halloween and you know it, clap your hands. If you love Halloween and you know it and you really want to show it, if you love Halloween and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! Good job. All right. Our second story today is a Lift a Flap book. And Poppy, you want to watch the flaps? It's called Peekaboo, written by Marie Torres Cimarusti and illustrated by Stephanie Peterson. And I'm reading it with permission from Penguin Young Readers. A ghost, a scarecrow, and a witch. Can you guess which one is which? Your Halloween friends hope that you are ready to play Peekaboo. See if you can guess who it is. Guess who? Pika. Let's see who this is. Hee 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 hee, cackles the witch. She's dressed like a witch. Guess who? Who is that? Pika. Shoo, shoo, shouts the scarecrow. He's trying to shoo away the bird. How about this one? Guess who? Pika. Clack, clackety, clack, rattles the skeleton. Who's a skeleton? The next one. Oh, who's that? Guess who? Pika. Mumbles the monster. How about this one? Guess who? Pika. Ee, 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 squeaks the bat. This one, guess who? Pika. Boo! Brooms the ghost. Who's a ghost? This one, guess who? Pika. Pumpkin patch, jabbers the jack-o'-lantern. Knock, knockety knock. Guess who? See who's at the door. Trick or treat, says you. Look at all of them trick-or-treating. Look at all the costumes. What are you going to be for Halloween this year? It's fun to dress up. Well, I think we can make something that we saw in one of the books. And we're going to make today a bat. The bat. So, grown-ups can help you with this craft. What you need for the craft is a paper tube. And what I did is I just cut it down the middle so a grown-up can do that for you. And then I took some black paper. Really only needs two color paper. Black paper and white paper. So the black paper I cut in a strip so that I could cover the tube. It goes right around the paper tube. And then we've got a glue stick, and you can glue that right on. And then I also took some more black paper and cut out some bat shape, some bat wing shape. And that is just glued on the back. So, and I took my white paper and I just cut out 2 little triangles for the fangs. And then I have some sticker eyes that I put on, but you could draw your eyes on, or you could cut out some more white paper and use that for your eyes. And you can have your little bat. What do you think about that, Poppy? You like the bat, Poppy? Yeah. You think the bat will be Poppy's friend. All right. So I hope all of you have a fun and safe Halloween, and maybe you can make a bat to play with at Halloween. And I'll see you next time. Poppy and I will see you next time for Toddler Storytime. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.